What are Sustainable Development Goals? These are a group of global goals set out in 2015 by all United Nations member states in a bid to tackle universal challenges including poverty, inequality, climate change, and so on, to ensure that people enjoy peace and prosperity by the year 2030. I have selected the goal of no poverty. I have chosen this goal specifically as I believe no human being deserves to live in extremely degrading environments while others enjoy more than enough. In addition to this goal is important to me because of my first-hand experience of the situation at hand gained from my home country, Kenya. I firmly believe it is one thing to read about poverty, but it's another thing to see it right in front of your eyes. In Kenya, there is a stark contrast between the rich and the poor. Having lived there all my life, I have personally witnessed this poverty through various trips and visits to the slums and rural areas around the country, and can therefore attest to the magnitude of the situation. In rural areas, for instance, I have seen people at this day and age having to walk extreme distances to get water and visit forests for firewood. In such areas, electricity is not a common source of energy for the people. Let's not forget the countless number of beggars and homeless people left to suffer on the streets in big cities such as Nairobi. According to some statistical facts, in 2017, Kenya's population was 44 million, 42% of whom lived below the poverty line. Although Kenya holds the leading economic position in Eastern and Central Africa, 16.9% of its population lives below the poverty line. As of today, even though these numbers have reduced and poverty has decreased, the effort to achieve this sustainable development goal remains difficult.